12 turmeric powder uses and benefits. Turmeric is known as a miracle plant. It is not just a spice for cooking. It has so much power to heal, to boost the human body. The yellow-colored spice is basically used as a cooking ingredient among the people of Southeast Asia. Turmeric has many scientifically proven health benefits. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. Most of us usually look for it in case of adding color or flavor in dishes. Let's know about the versatile usage of it. Beauty and skincare. Turmeric is being used from the past as Ayurvedic treatment to keep skin healthy and youthful. It helps to brighten skin and make it glowing from the inside. Turmeric helps to fade acne scars. If you are tensed with your dark circle around your eyes, you can apply a small amount of turmeric paste. It is effective to remove dark circles. Turmeric also saves skin from sun damage. It has many valuable properties that can be exploited to treat dermatologic conditions. But people with sensitive skin are warned to have a patch test to avoid allergic reactions. Heal the wound. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibiotic agent that has been used to cure in case of wounds. If one becomes wounded and bleeding, apply turmeric on the affected area. It will immediately stop bleeding. So, in accidental cases, we can easily get turmeric near our hand to give primary treatment. Use turmeric for weight loss. If you look for a perfect diet chart, then you can surely add turmeric to your list. Turmeric has enough antioxidant materials and anti-inflammation properties. A cup of full turmeric tea can help to lose weight and flattens the tummy. It lessens belly fat by stopping the growth of fat cells. Prevent traumatic disorder. Research says that the substance named curcumin that exists in turmeric is effective to prevent brain damage. The compound curcumin prevents bad memories from being stored in the brain. Diet rich with curcumin can be beneficial for patients suffering from psychological disorders. Reduce cholesterol. Along with nutrients, turmeric also contains compounds with medical properties. It has the active component curcumin, which can lower total cholesterol. It controls the lipid serum of the blood. Thus, the ingredient helps to prevent high blood pressure, heart attack, and severe diseases. Hiding your age. Turmeric has incredibly potent anti-aging ingredients. It helps to delay aging and fight against age-related chronic diseases. It is proved that turmeric improves skin elasticity and can prevent wrinkle formation. It also controls aging by protecting cells from sun damage. It tightens your skin. Turmeric is a gift of nature to keep your youth evergreen. Stroke treatment. A drug derived from turmeric is used to treat stroke patients. When a man strikes with stroke, brain cells are starved of oxygen, and this lack of oxygen is the reason of dying brain cells. Researchers said that there is a compound in turmeric that has been found to protect and regenerate brain cells after stroke. It boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor. So, this golden spice has a great impact on their recovery. Develops immunity system. It is very important to build one's immunity system stronger to fight against viruses and bacteria. A healthy diet is the main weapon in this fight. According to a research published in the journal Public Library of Science, found that curcumin, a compound element of turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties that help boost immunity. The spice helps to enhance the power of metabolism and thus boost the immunity system. You can drink warm spiced turmeric milk in the cold season to keep fit. For the nutrient values, turmeric is known as Indian saffron. Helps with stomach problems. Turmeric contributes in healthy digestion. It is used in traditional Chinese and Ayurveda medicine as a digestive healing agent. Its rich amount of anti-inflammatory agents save the stomach from aching. Acid reflux and gastroesophageal reflux diseases can be treated with curcumin. That helps to prevent inflammation. Thus, it cures gastric problems. It is also being used in food digestion problems and improves liver function. Detoxifies your body. Turmeric has some amazing health benefits. It helps you to flush out all the harmful toxins from your body. Every day, our bodies get in contact with different toxic chemical elements by food, air, or outside materials. So, it is very important to remove harmful materials from blood vessels. You need to consume the proper amount of turmeric to get rid of these. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you can clear your body from all the harmful toxins. Source of antioxidants. The golden spice is a vast sector of important antioxidants that is needed for the human body. The major compound of turmeric, curcumin, is the main element of it. Curcumin is usually heated while cooking, but the present study indicated that cooked curcumin still possessed antioxidant activities. It has powerful anti-inflammation effects. So, turmeric is not just a yellow powder, it has medical value as well. Prevent the possibility of cancer. Cancer is a word of fear to us. Inflammation is linked to the growth of tumor cells. Curcumin is a valuable substance of turmeric that plays a role in treating and preventing various kinds of cancer. In fact, research suggests that curcumin helps to slow the spread of tumor cells and even prevents the growth of tumors at the first stage. So, we get a hint of all the important usage and benefits of turmeric. It's not only to keep in a jar in the corner of your kitchen. This pretty yellow powder enhances food flavor and color. Like that, it paints the human body from inside and outside so that one can bloom like a flower and live a healthy life. There you have it. These are the best 12 uses and benefits that we can think of. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. For more tips videos, subscribe to our channel.